Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on factorising. In this question, the first one, we have two terms. In the two terms, we have a difference. So we can use the difference of two squares method to factorise number one. Now, x squared is a perfect square, but 12 is not. But any number can be split into a product of surds. So x minus root 12, x plus root 12. If we were to write this in simplest surd form, we can take our root 12 and split it into the square root of 4 times 3, and the square root of 4 times the square root of 3 can be split to give us 2 root 3. So in simplest surd form, this is x minus 2 root 3, x plus 2 root 3. Question number 2. We have 4 terms. Most often with 4 terms, we are going to group 2 terms with 2 terms. And lucky for us, if we group the first 2 terms together, we can take out a common factor of px, leaving us with 7 plus x. And then if we group the second 2 terms together, we can take out minus 12a, leaving us with 7 plus x. And we know our grouping is successful if we get some sort of common bracket occurring. And we can take out this common bracket, 7 plus x, leaving us with the px minus 12a. Okay, before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us this question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.